download you want whenever you like for free. Simply visit the library by tapping the cloud in the top left-hand corner of the screen or on one of the blank pages in your book. In the library, you'll be able to see lots of exciting stories. Fill the book with your favourite Cbeebies stories and make the app your own. Once you have read a story, you can easily return it and download a new one. Come on an adventure with me. Come on, let's read a story.
Topsy and Tim, helping Dad.
Remember to visit the library to find new stories. Choose Read to Me to hear the story.
Today, Topsy and I are helping Dad put up some new wallpaper in Mummy and Dad's bedroom. Mummy's away, so it will be a big surprise when she gets home. Before we start, we need to cover up the carpet so it doesn't get all messy while we're decorating. Can you tap on the dust sheets to help us put them down on the floor? Done it! Great! Now the carpet is covered, we can start using the gloopy wallpaper paste.
Dad showed me how to spread the sticky, gluey paste onto the back of the wallpaper,
says Topsy. Can you swipe the brush to help Topsy spread the paste? Great! Once the wallpaper is nice and sticky, Topsy helps Dad move it into position on the wall. Can you help move the wallpaper into the corner by dragging it?
Up!
Yay! That's perfect! Dad tries smoothing out the wallpaper, but the top half keeps peeling off onto his head. Oh no! The wallpaper falls down again. Topsy wonders if we need another grown-up.
Maybe we need DIY Derek to come and help.
Dad doesn't think we really need DIY Derek's help, but Topsy and I aren't so sure. While Dad's struggling with the wallpaper, I have an idea. We could call DIY Derek on the phone. But Topsy reminds me,
Mummy says we're not allowed to use the phone unless it's a true emergency.
We both agree that Mummy probably wouldn't mind just this once. So we decided to go and find the phone and DIY Derek's phone number. Can you tap on the phone and the address book to help? Brilliant! We find DIY Derek's number in the address book and press the numbers on the phone to call him. Can you tap on the numbers from the address book to help call DIY Derek? Well done! When DIY Derek answers, we tell him that Dad's making a bit of a mess of the decorating.
Please, could you come and help us?
Topsy asks. Luckily, DIY Derek says he can. Later, while we're having a break, the doorbell rings. When Dad opens the door, he's surprised to see DIY Derek. DIY Derek explains that he got a phone call from Dad's little helpers. We say we're sorry, and Dad understands that we thought there was a decorating emergency. With DIY Derek's decorating help, we finish the room, and it looks really nice. Mummy will be very happy when she sees it. Dad asks Topsy to take a photo of the new wallpaper. Can you help Topsy take the photo by tapping on the screen? Well done! did Topsy and Tim phone for help? DIY Derek? Mummy? Grandma?
That's right.
What did Topsy and Tim put onto the wallpaper to make it sticky? Wallpaper paste? Water? Paint?
That's right.
Which room in the house was being decorated? The living room? Mummy and Dad's bedroom? Topsy and Tim's bedroom?
That's right.
How do you think Topsy and Tim's mummy felt when she saw the decorated room?
The end. Choose read again or choose read another story.